Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, let's delve into the fascinating world of oscilloscopes and explore their basic functions and uses. An oscilloscope, or scope for short, is an electronic test instrument used to observe electronic signals, typically voltage, as a function of time. It essentially plots voltage versus time. It comes in two basic types, analog and digital. Inside an oscilloscope, various components work harmoniously to facilitate its operation. The display screen visually represents the input signal's behavior over time, while the control panel allows for adjustments to optimize the display. Probes serve as conduits, transmitting signals from the tested circuit to the oscilloscope. Internally, converters, memory, and processing units manage signal data, ensuring accurate analysis and measurement. Together, these components form the backbone of the oscilloscope's functionality, enabling precise electronic testing and analysis. Oscilloscopes offer a comprehensive display of voltage changes over time, presenting this data graphically on a screen. This graphical representation allows users to closely examine various characteristics of the signal, including its amplitude, frequency, and waveform shape. The primary feature of an oscilloscope lies in its ability to visually depict waveforms, providing users with a clear understanding of the signal's behavior. Moreover, oscilloscopes possess measurement capabilities that enable the precise quantification of parameters such as voltage and time. To ensure accuracy in signal capture, oscilloscopes are equipped with probe connectivity, which facilitates direct connection to devices under test. Additionally, oscilloscopes typically feature multiple input channels, allowing for the simultaneous observation of multiple signals. Further enhancing their utility in electronic testing and analysis. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more insightful content. And as always, thank you for watching.